Acrobatic Technologies is a mid-sized IT services and product company from Bangalore. The company caters to different business segments such as BFSI, energy and healthcare. In the current issue, the company has proposed to raise over 170 crores to fund its acquisition plans to meet its working capital requirement, and part of the proceeds is also earmarked towards repayment of debt. On the positive side, the company, as mentioned, caters to different business sectors, which helps to mitigate the risk of slowdown in any one particular sector. The IT industry in India is also considered to have favorable growth prospects, and increasing domestic spends also augur well for the company's prospects going forward. On the flip side, however, the company has a pretty high client concentration risk, wherein 83% of the sales come from around top 5 customers. This ratio further deteriorated to around 99% for the 9-month ended FY 2011. However, to counterpoint this argument, the company has a long-term, or let's call them as legacy clients, which definitely augurs well for the company's prospects. Another negative for the company is the overall exchange rate fluctuation risk that the company is exposed to, as the RSP does not state any kind of hedging policy adopted by the company. Another major negative is that there is a slight overhang about the mid-sized IT companies, that is among the market participants, that has resulted into most of these mid-sized IT companies' performance being not so very impressive. Coming back to the valuations, at a PE of around 10 and the market cap to sales of around 2, the company is fairly valued, but as compared to its peers like 3i Infotech, Accenture Technologies and Geometric Limited, all these companies trade at a PE of less than 10 and market cap to sales ratio of around close to 1 times. Now, for the punters with a high risk appetite can consider investing in this issue. However, the long-term investors would prefer to wait and watch and see how the company's overall acquisition plans takes place, and if that happens as per plan, the company can have a different league altogether.